Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Android version and model so you know what settings are available. Once you have that, disable battery saver and close heavy background apps to rule out CPU throttling. Next, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times, then open it and set window and transition animation scales to 0. 5x. These first tweaks reduce input lag by cutting animation overhead and freeing CPU cycles, making touch feel more immediate right away. Once done with animations, clear cache for the apps you use most. Accumulated cache can cause stutter. You should force stop and relaunch any misbehaving app and test touch response. Then, disable gesture typing and heavy haptic feedback, which can introduce small delays on some phones. Also open settings to increase touchscreen sensitivity or enable a touch sensitivity toggle if present, because improving sensor responsiveness at the driver level reduces perceived lag when you interact with the screen. Finish by rebooting into safe mode to check whether a third-party app causes the delay. If touch is snappy in safe mode, uninstall recent apps. Make sure your system firmware and apps are up to date, and then reboot normally. If problems persist, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort because software corruption can create persistent delays. If even that fails, consider the hardware route. Test the digitizer or seek repair, since a failing touchscreen controller often mimics software lag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.